In 1988, 167 people lost their lives on the Piper Alpha oil rig after a catastrophic failure of the gas rise resulted in a massive explosion which engulfed the whole platform. After the disaster, much research work was conducted to better understand the physics of large-scale hydrocarbon explosions. A full-scale mock-up of an offshore installation module was built to carry out the explosion tests. The results of the tests were used to produce new empirical models to help model the consequences of these explosions, and assist engineers to design offshore installations capable of withstanding the explosions. The research revealed the significant impact that congestion of equipment can have inside the modules, which increases the blast overpressures.